Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. Welcome to Ask FN right here on FANS Wethu TV. Yo, KG, Fandahi, Mamelodi Sundowns, Kelikosi,
My brother, I said in the last game.
Yeah. Remind me what you said.
I said we are no longer counting Sundowns in this competition.
In the competition.
Yeah, only time is what kept them in the in this competition.
Yeah, so their time is up now.
So their time is up.
Yeah.
We are going for the jugular.
You're going for the jugular.
Yeah, we're taking them out.
You're taking the heads out.
Yeah, we're taking the heads out.
Yeah.
We are winning this one.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna tell you, we have a MTN 8 final, so we're to Derby against Orlando Pirates. So Sundowns is already out.
Sundowns is out.
Yeah, they're out. I told you, and I'm still repeating my words that we are winning it. Sundowns
is finished.
It's finished.
Yeah.
It's done.
Yeah, but KG,
No, we're winning 1-0.
1-0.
1-0, yeah.
1-0 away from home. Champion score.
Yeah, champion score 1-0.
Yeah.
We're already looking forward to the final.
Yeah. Okay, I heard you mention Orlando Pirates. Why Pirates, KG? Is it because they're easy? Is it because they're from Soweto? Why Pirates in particular?
No, Pirates, they're already in the final because they beat Stellis.
Okay.
Yeah, they beat Stellis. I don't see Stellis coming back into the game.
The game tomorrow.
Yeah, the game tomorrow. So Pirates are already in. They're just waiting for an opponent. And also, it's very interesting to play against Pirates because they are very good. Great team to play against. The atmosphere is very good when you play against them. And it's a way to die. There's history between the clubs. It's always nice to beat them because we want to leave the trophy after the final when we are done with them. When we are done with them.
Yeah, because I asked that question. No,
I mean, Pirates are sharp. You win like a lucky always.
Yeah, so literally
all the time. Yeah. You know, we've got the likes of Olisanda. They used to score all goals for us. But we still have people who can still provide.
Deliver,
they can deliver. Last time we met in that game. A beauty, my brother. So I'm saying we are beating Pirates. We are beating Pirates in the final. Sundowns are already out.
Yeah,